Teds Woodworking made easy with 16,000 woodworking plans. 1. Choose your tools. The first step to any woodworking project is to choose the right tools. 2. Take a woodworking class. It can be a great way to learn the basics and get advice from an experienced woodworker. 3. Choose the right tools for the job. It's important to invest in quality tools that are designed for the job you are doing. 4. Practice, practice, practice. Woodworking is a skill that requires practice and precision. Take the time to practice your technique and get comfortable with the tools. 5. Read woodworking magazines and books. There are plenty of resources available to help you learn more about woodworking. 6. Join a woodworking club. A woodworking club is a great way to meet other woodworkers and learn from each other. 7. Watch woodworking videos. YouTube and other online video sources are a great way to learn more about woodworking. 8. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try something new and push the limits of your woodworking skills. If you want to learn more about Ted's woodworking plans, I have a link down below this video. Don't forget to smack the like button and subscribe to my channel.